Hey everybody, it's Taylor from Kingdom Health and Wellness. I'm coming to you from my house tonight because honestly we've just been so busy in clinic lately. I've been seeing patients the whole time I'm there, and so I wanted to get some content to you tonight because we were talking about a really important topic on our social media pages this week, and that is infertility. And I wanted to talk to you about why I think our office is so helpful in preventing infertility. Because so often I see teenagers in my office for symptoms like heavy periods, migraines, acne, gut issues, food sensitivities. And I initially see them usually because their moms are being told that birth control is the only answer and they're wanting an alternative option. And usually when I'm able to get lab work drawn, I see a couple things on their lab work. Sometimes I see thyroid issues, and one of the craziest things is your thyroid antibodies can be increased for 10 years before your TSH is affected. And a lot of times, most young women, their TSH isn't drawn until, honestly, sometimes pregnancy, or if they seem to be having some type of symptom like hair loss or things like that. Their doctors may draw it, but a lot of teenagers don't get their thyroid levels drawn, especially thyroid antibodies. I've seen them in a lot of teenagers elevated, and I also see insulin resistance in a ton of my teenage girls. A lot of them who have painful periods, we get an ultrasound of their ovaries, and they have cysts on their ovaries, which is another factor that can play into polycystic ovarian syndrome, and all of this can really affect their fertility in their future. And what I love about what we're able to do at our office is we don't just cover up the symptoms with birth control. We're able to really get honed in nutritionally with them. We're able to utilize some supplements and walk alongside them when it comes to their stress and day-to-day lifestyle to really reverse these symptoms over and over again. I draw labs 3 to 4 months in to our care plan, and their labs have totally reversed. Their insulin resistance has gone down. Their thyroid antibodies have gone down. We're able to hopefully help in so many ways prevent future fertility issues. And so I wanted to get on here and say some of those things to you all, because I think that a lot of probably young women and maybe even their moms are interested in something like this that is another option besides birth control. And I wanted to tell you that it's available and it works, and we love being able to walk hand in hand with families and young women who are working through these issues and prevent them from having future issues. And I really feel like it's something that we're able to bring to the community to really bring hope. And I would love to answer any questions that you have, or we would love if you would message us or comment on here if you have any questions or thoughts about this. We would love to answer those questions. We would love to help you get the testing that you need. Maybe it's genetic testing. Maybe it's just some basic lab work to rule out insulin resistance, to rule out thyroid problems, to rule out chronic infection or heavy metals in your system that might need detox. We want to get you those answers, and we've seen it work over and over again. And so please reach out to us. We would love to hear from you. We would love to sit down and spend some time getting to know your story and helping get you the testing that you need. Thanks so much, and hope that this was helpful.